everyone, and welcome back to What's in My Lego Box. Today I'll be building this really cool Robo Explorer Creator set. It has 205 pieces, which includes a Lego light brick, which is part of the robot searchlight. This set can also turn into a robot dog with a light-up jetpack and a robot bird with light-up eyes. The main colours used are azure blue, light and dark grey and black. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So we have the instructions for all three of the models. There are 2 main bags and 2 smaller bags, and of course the Lego light brick. Let's open them up. Some new pieces for 2017 that are included in the set are azure blue 2x2 roof tile and the reddish brown axle 5 with end stop. So let's go ahead and start building the Robo Explorer. This Robo Explorer was pretty fun and easy to build. It took me just over 20 minutes to complete, and now let's take a closer look at the model. First, it has moving caterpillar tracks connected together at the back. It also has an extra wheel so that the tracks will turn even on smooth surfaces. The body can rotate all the way around and can also tilt left to right. The head also turns and tilts a little. It has claw on one arm to pick and hold rocks that it finds, and on the other arm it has a searchlight with a light brick that turns on when you press the button at the back of the arm. This set includes some rocks for the robot to pick up with his claw and examine. So I really like this set and it looks really cool and fun to play with. So thanks for watching, and if you liked this video please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of what's in my Lego box. See you next time.